In a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, there once lived an old man named Elias. Everyone in the village knew Elias as a man of wisdom and grace, his words always filled with wisdom and his deeds always right. One day, a young boy named Timmy saw Elias planting a tiny seed in his garden. Timmy, ever curious, asked, "Why do you plant such a small seed, Mr. Elias?" With a gentle smile, Elias replied, "Patience, Timmy, is the seed's greatest friend. The seed may be small, but given time, it will grow into something magnificent." Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. The village watched as the seed, once a tiny speck, began to sprout and grow, unfurling leaves and reaching towards the sky. The sight filled everyone with awe and wonder. One day, a stranger came to the village. He was a wealthy man, well-traveled, and accustomed to quick results. He saw the beautiful, towering plant and asked Elias, "How did you make this grow so quickly?" Elias, with a twinkle in his eye, simply said, "I didn't. I just gave it what it needed and let it grow at its own pace." The stranger, puzzled, asked, "What do you mean?" Elias explained, "I planted the seed and watered it, but I did not rush its growth. I let it take its time, nurturing it as it grew." Patience and care, my friend, are the keys to growth. The stranger, having learned a valuable lesson, thanked Elias and left the village, a changed man. The villagers, too, realized the truth in Elias' words and began to apply them in their own lives. From that day forward, they learned to be patient, to let things grow at their own pace, and to find joy in the journey rather than the destination. And so, the wisdom of Elias spread, touching the lives of everyone in the village and beyond. In the end, it was not the size of the seed that mattered, but the care and patience with which it was nurtured. The old man's wisdom was a reminder that sometimes the smallest acts can have the largest impact, if only we are patient and allow things to grow.